Friends and my dear students, first of all I welcome you in the Sanjani Mahavidyalaya Sapulis YouTube channel video class. So you are the students of BSc first year, and this is you have this opportunity to attend the video class in your house. Due to the COVID-19 disease, we are not able to conduct the classes in the college level, but yes, we are organizing these facility. We are providing such facilities for your improvement, and without any problem, continuously these lecturers are available for you. And now your time to watch such videos and to learn more things about the microbiology. Myself, Professor Sandeep Munde, Head and Assistant Professor, Department of Microbiology. So friends and dear students, this is the choice-based credit system course structure of your subject. There are two papers for BSc first year. There are two papers now up to the 12th the annual pattern examination, but now in the BSc level the semester pattern examination means 6th month, after every 6th month the examinations, final examination. Like that there are two semester per year. In the first year, for first semester there are two papers. The first paper, it is the introductory microbiology, and the second paper, it is the fundamentals of microbiology. How the marks are distributed for paper? So 10 marks internal examination for first paper. Internal examination means, internal evaluation means that exam generally conducted in college level, and on the basis of that these internal evaluations conducted in the college level, and 40 marks, that is the marks of semester after the completion of first semester syllabus, the university conducted 40 marks examinations, final examinations, and 10 marks plus 40 marks is equal to 50 marks. It means total marks is a 50 marks. Same pattern for second paper also, 10 plus 40 is equal to 50 marks. It means that for 6th month semester there are two paper, and for next semester and there are two papers, means 4 theory paper and only one paper of practical, which is annual, not semester wise. Okay, and your practical paper, which is 100 marks practical paper, and the practical paper which is totally based on your all 4 theory papers in this 2 semester wise papers, and next 2 semester theory, means 4 semester papers. On the basis of that, what the practical examinations, that is the 5th paper. Okay, so this is the mark wise distributions for paper. Now we'll see details about the syllabus. So the first paper, that we can say introductory microbiology, paper number 1. So there are 4 units under this paper. The first unit is a scope of microbiology. So under that we'll see definition and concept, types of microorganisms, distributions of microorganism in nature, beneficial and harmful role of microorganisms in agriculture, in human and animal health, industries and genetic engineering with suitable examples. So it means in the scope of microbiology we'll see where is the scope of microorganism and scope of microbiology, in which field, There are different fields where the scope of microbiology, that we will see details under this unit. So second unit, that is the historical developments in microbiology. Under that we will see the early observation of microorganisms, controversy over spontaneous generations, contributions of different scientists, recognitions of microbial role in diseases, Koch postulates and contributions of Louis Pasteur and Edward Jenner. The next point that we will see under this unit, recognitions of microbial role in fermentation and discovery of pure culture concept. Next, the aseptic surgery. All these are the points under unit second. The third unit, that is general characters of microorganisms. So under this unit, these are the sub points. The eukaryotic cells, under that algae, fungi and lichens. Then prokaryotic cell, under the prokaryotic cells, archaebacteria, bacteria and actinomycetes. The next, differences between eukaryotic and prokaryotic cell, and general characters of viruses and general characters of protozoa. These are the sub points under unit 3rd we will cover. Okay. The next and last unit of this paper, paper number 4, that is the taxonomy of microorganisms or microbes, microbial classification and nomenclature, taxonomic groups and goals of classifications. The second, general methods of classifying bacteria, intuitive method, numerical taxonomy and genetic relatedness. Next point, the nomenclature of bacteria, and the last point of this unit is the introduction to Burgess Manual of Bacteriology, that is the 9th editions. These are all the 4 units under the first paper, or this is the syllabus of first paper. So let us see the syllabus of second paper. What is the name of second paper? The paper name, which is the fundamentals of microbiology, paper number 2. Same, under this paper there are 4 units. Okay, the first unit's bioinstrumentation. In the bioinstrumentation we will see the microscopy, definition of magnification, resolving power, depth of focus, focal length, angular aperture and numerical aperture. Next, the point objective. There are 3 types of objective: low power, high power and oil immersion objective and ocular functions. The next point, that is the condenser. There are 3 types of condensers: Abes, cardioids and parabolic, and their functions, that we will see under this unit. Then the principles of this instrument microscope, that is the construction using ray diagram and applications of compound microscope. And next, the electron microscope, that is the SEM and TEM. SEM is, that is the scanning electron microscope, and TEM is, that is the transmission electron microscope. This is all about the first unit. So this is the, now we'll see the second unit, the syllabus of second unit. The name of second unit is the ultrastructure of bacterial cell. Basic concepts of shape, arrangement and size of prokaryotic cells. Importance of cell shape, cell size and rods and cocci. The next point, structure, chemical composition and function of the following points, that is the capsule and slimes. Second, cell wall and cytoplasmic membranes. Next point, the flagella and motility, fimbriae and pili. The next, nuclear material, plasmids, mesosomes and ribosomes, and the reserve material and other cellular inclusions. This is the syllabus of second unit. Now the third unit, that is the sterilization techniques. Under that we will see the definition of sterilization, disinfections, antiseptic, germicides, sanitizer, fungicide, virucide, bacteriostatic and bactericidal agents. So the next point, that is the chemical disinfectants, that is the properties of ideal disinfectant, chemical agents, phenol and phenolic compounds, alcohols, gaseous sterilizing agent, that is the formaldehyde, ethylene oxide and beta propiolactone. Then the next point of the syllabus, the unit third, is the evaluation of disinfectant, that is the phenol coefficient. And the last point of unit third, that is the sterilization by physical agent, that is the moist heat, boiling, tenderization, pasteurizations and steam under pressure autoclave. That's the next, the dry heat, that is the flaming, incinerations and hot air oven. In the radiations, ionizing and non-ionic radiations. And in the filtration, its types of filter and concept with example seed filter. And the last unit of paper number second, that is the microbial nutrition. Concept of microbial nutrition, the common nutrient requirements, that is the basic nutritional requirement of microorganisms and macronutrients and micronutrients. Requirements for carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and electron with their significance. Requirements for nitrogen, phosphorus and sulfur with their significance. The growth factors. And the last point of the unit 4, that is nutritional categories of microorganisms on the basis of carbon and energy source. So friends and my dear students, this is all about the syllabus of paper number 1 and paper number 2. Okay, so in the next lecture we will see the details points of each and every units, okay, and subunits. So friends, it is very important to watch the video and learn more things, because we are always ready for giving the knowledge, giving the any part of the information regarding the syllabus on offline basis as well as online basis. Now, and it's your duty to watch the video, and as well you have to study well, because education we cannot stop in any conditions, because today it is the condition of COVID-19 disease, but we are always ready for conducting the classes on online mode. In the next lecture we will see the first unit of the first paper, that is the scope of microbiology. Till then, bye.